Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, KompaFit. KompaFit is here. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. And thank you all for being here. Remember to subscribe so you can do some moves to Kompa music. So last week when I filmed this video, I didn't realize the song was 7 minutes long. So I separated in two. Last week I posted part 1 and this week I'm gonna post part 2. Because I just divided the song because I have problems posting it if it's too long from my phone to YouTube. So this is part 2 of Tabou Combo, kite and zafem. Enjoy!
Season.